Step into sunlight and ACHOO. It's the photic sneeze reflex, nicknamed ACHOO, Autosomal-dominant compelling Helio-Ophthalmic outburst. It hits up to a third of people. For some, every bright light is a sneeze trigger. But why does it happen? A blast of light overstimulates the optic nerve. Signals spill into the trigeminal pathways that control the nose, and your sneeze reflex fires. You'll get that tingle in the nose as your pupils tighten. Then boom, sneeze. Try sunglasses. Look down before stepping into bright light, or ease out gradually so your eyes can adjust. Sun-triggered sneezing. Weird, harmless, and surprisingly common. Follow the Quirky Tome for more crazy human quirks.